Okay, so now let's start about the presentation. Let me talk about something about Croatia to let you have some basic information. Croatia is a Republic of Croatia. It was established on 1991. The statehood date is 30th of May. Their language, their mother tongue should be Croatia, but the majority of them speaking in English actually. Okay, and then Korčula. You remember there's an island called Korčula. You know, Marco Polo was born in this island. Okay, you wonder why Marco Polo should be a Venetian. Yes.
I'm Jerry.
So we're excited to do the sharing on Hong Kong's education system, indoor basketball court and volleyball court. So our school's sports team have to train outdoors in hot summer and even in cold winter.
Then you can call me Ping Ping.
Stinky tofu. Stinky tofu was introduced to Hong Kong in the 1940s to 1950s by Johann Strauss Jr. is familiar to Hong Kong people because this song comes out from the band.
And now we're gonna talk about history.
And the center is busiest on Saturdays when it is customary to go to the market and then go for a coffee with friends.
I want to ask that which one do you like most?
I would like to try the waffles.
Same.
I would like to try ice cream. It sounds amazing.
So our geographical position is that we have 4 seasons. It's located in a good position around Bilogora slopes near the river Drava and near the old Roman road.
The third picture is a picture of Kopernica in snow and Kopernica.
The custard filling may be flavored with chocolate, green tea, abalone, or bird nest. It has become a habit to eat dim sum. Dim sum was found in Guangzhou, Xiguan 300 years ago.
They are really attractive and delicious. However, there's something more, and that's Chinese barbecue. It's usually served with rice roll.
Is it difficult for students to enter the university? Is that as competitive as Hong Kong?
Well, it depends on which university you want to go, but I don't think it is. It's not a hard, we don't have like very hard school program. It is hard, but it's not very hard, I think. So it is not that hard.
And there's 12 in total. And 2022 is the year of tiger. So today we are going to teach you how to fold a tiger origami. Will be a piece of square paper. And it will be one side yellow and another side will be white.
For the top corner, right corner, and the left corner, and turn it over. For the angles,
this is the first one.
Ista tehnika samo iz drugog mjesta.
This is the same technique with the wax, but from another village. You can press a little bit if it doesn't stick. Now we need to something here. See, you can press it. Yes, yes, that's one of the reasons. And during the Easter meal in the morning, we eat boiled eggs. It's a tradition. We eat hard-boiled eggs.
You have a hill going up, which is called the Upper Town Zagreb, which is also one of these destinations, top attractions in our capital city. It's one of a pretty important. You can even learn the language. Hvala ti means thank you, Majko, mother. Here you can buy candles if you want to light them on a small altar. And they are all lit by hand. There is a person employed just for that. Every evening he lights all the gas lights with a stick by hand every evening. A nice cafe next to it. The oldest Zagreb pharmacy. The building is not old, but the building is like the 5th here. And you know, when I do sometimes some food tours in Zagreb and my visitors ask me, "Oh, Samia, so it's so quiet." In the old days, it was just the oldest, the chefs of the tribes, then it was, here we are.
Okay, thank you very much. And hope you all enjoy and thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.